Custos of St. James Bishop Conrad Pitkin is calling for more to be done in the fight against crime. Bishop Pitkin, who is also the chair of the Jamaica Umbrella Group of Churches, says he supports the states of emergency but believes more needs to be done to end the bloodletting island-wide.
I think that we need to see a greater level of community policing where the security forces can develop and maintain a greater level of trust among our citizens, where citizens can feel free and at liberty to share information without questioning whether or not that information is going to fall on the wrong ear.
He says for too long the country has suffered at the hands of criminals and called for law-abiding citizens to join the fight against crime.
We have to work together, the media, the church, the government, the parliamentary opposition, just every Jamaican. I'm appealing, let us come together. Jamaica belongs to us, and if good come, all of us will reap.